Thanks for choosing this course on MailChimp email marketing. It is my pleasure to teach you, and I hope you enjoy the course. In this course, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know to use email successfully for your company using MailChimp. This course is divided up into 7 sections. Firstly, we look at email marketing. Why is it still important? Secondly, deliverability, i.e. how you ensure your emails get into the inbox and don't go into the spam box. How to integrate your e-commerce platform with MailChimp, for example, integrating MailChimp and Shopify. How to grow your email list and also how to organize it. Then we're going to be looking at how you create email campaigns and create email journeys. And finally, we're going to be looking at how you understand your performance, the metrics you should use, and also the reporting available in MailChimp. The first section is about what email marketing is and why should you be using MailChimp. We'll be looking at stats to do with email marketing and covering why it is still important. We'll be asking what email marketing is good for, the kind of tasks it can do, and we'll also be looking at why MailChimp is a good platform for it. The second section is all about email deliverability. That is, how do you get your email to appear in the inbox and not get blocked and not appear in the spam folder? We're looking at what email deliverability is, deliverability best practices, and how you authenticate your domain. Running an email marketing campaign is much easier if your e-commerce platform is integrated with MailChimp. So we're going to be covering how you integrate two of the most popular platforms, that is Shopify and WordPress, using MailChimp apps. Having covered the basics, we will then get into the nitty-gritty of creating campaigns in MailChimp. The first thing we're going to look at is how to build and organize your audience. An audience is what MailChimp calls a list of subscribers. We're going to be looking at best practices for collecting emails, how you collect emails using MailChimp, how you organize your audiences in MailChimp, and finally, we're going to be looking at how you communicate with your customers using MailChimp Inbox. Creating email campaigns is what email marketing is all about. In this section, we'll be looking at best practices for creating email campaigns. This is going to include best practice for copy, that is the text of your emails, and also design and layout of your emails. We're going to be going through creating a campaign in MailChimp step by step, and also how you use the MailChimp Campaign Manager. An email journey is when MailChimp automatically sends out emails to your customers based on where they are in the purchasing cycle. We're going to be looking at what automations are, popular types of automations, for example, abandoned cart emails, and finally, how you create automations in MailChimp. Finally, we're going to be looking at monitoring email performance. We're going to be going through the most important email marketing metrics and how you can get reports out of MailChimp to find out how well your campaigns are performing. If you have any questions about the course or any feedback, I'd love to hear from you. You can contact me via Udemy messages, or you can email me at trevor@vendlab.com, or you can contact me via LinkedIn, and there is my LinkedIn profile page. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and enjoy the course.